आपको डर किससे लगता है? What are you scared of?
भूत से डर लगता है। हिंदी। मम्मी पापा से तब डर लगता है जब वो डांटते हैं। मुझे लेजर और सांप बहुत सारी चीजों से डर लगता है। Darkness. Like when my mother is not there in the dark room, I don't like it. When I'm on top of a skyscraper, then I'm very, very, very scared.
War.
Breaking a friendship and relations.
That's my worst fear, to lose any of my family members.
And I'm really scared of losing the trust of my dad.
Because I'm very scared of death.
Being alone without people around me, that's very scary. It really freaks me out. My biggest fear is not coping up with school.
Biggest fear, losing close friends and family, because they understand me the most, and without them I guess I will feel really lonely in life.
I will kill you if you put me in the womb again.
Oh, you will kill me? Relax, the two of you. The nightmare has just begun. I think I'm inside the womb with you guys this time. And me too. Dorji, what are you doing here?
Oh, he's gonna be my womb brother.
What is a womb, brother?
If you can have a Rocky brother, why can't you have a womb brother? Move over, you're taking all the space.
Listen, I'm not, okay? Okay, guys, there's a reason why we are here. So we have to find out how can we get out of here. This is in our heads. Imaginary. Hope so. I don't want to start all over and go to school all over again.
Wait, I can hear some voices.
Mrs. Serene, congratulations. You have twins with you. It means a difficult pregnancy with bed rest, but the babies are so far very healthy.
Thank you, doctor.
Mrs. Serene, you have to make a choice. We can save only one of the babies and you. Would you like us to save the boy or the girl?
Please, no. I want both our children.
I am sorry, Mrs. Serene. It is dangerous for you.
Sameer,
I don't know what to say. It's so difficult.
I want both my babies.
I want you to be safe, my dear, and one is fine with me.
I want both my babies.
Shall we save the girl? You already have a son.
I want both my babies. I will pray and fight for them. I will gather all my strength. I will not give up.
Doctor, we want you to save all three of them, the mother and the twins. And if God wants to call back anyone, let her decide.
My dear sister, you go first. Then you will have more chances of getting saved. Are you sure? If you get left behind, you may die, my brother. I know, and I love you. So make the most of this life if I don't get to come with you.
Jan, you saved my life. You knew you could die, but you yet saved my life.
Wow, I'm so impressed. And I thought it was very brave of me. I knew you were brave.
I will never treat you again and call you Scary Poo, my hero.
But I'm still scared of those bullies in my school. But you faced death. And I know, it doesn't make me feel big and strong.
You believe you could do it. So you did. In school, you believed you could not do it. So you did not.
How do you know?
I did. I just heard my teacher at the monastery say that over and over again. I am always complaining to my parents that at the monastery, I don't want to be a wimp. I want to be like Tinley, do brave deeds and shoot for fins. He would say, when I grow up, then only I will understand his words.
You almost died.
Wasn't it awesome? Ma fought with all her life to save you both. And we are constantly fighting and making her miserable.
Your parents fought for your lives, but my parents gave me away to the monastery.
All this is fine, but what are we going to do with Ruka?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I feel now I can face those bullies anytime, even if they break my nose.
Good, we can go back home now.
No, it's better for you. But I have to know why my parents gave me away.
So why don't you ask the question this time?
And carry on by yourself.
Are you coming with me?
We might as well. It's a great adventure. Go on, Dorji. Ask the question. We are with you.
Why did my parents give me away to the monastery?
That's probably not the right question.
I don't know what else to ask.
Hurry up, we can't be inside the womb any longer. If Ma gives birth to all of us, so we have to start all over again as babies.
Hurry up, Dodgy, I can feel the pressure to move.
And again, I will have a chance to die.
Hurry up, Dodgy, hurry.
Stop pushing me. You're pushing me.
Hurry.
I don't know what to ask.
Dorji, you are going to make us all babies again.
Hurry up.
I can't think of anything.
Dodgy.
Stop. I can't think of anything.
Grow up, Dodgy, take responsibility.
Shut up. I can't take responsibility. I am not grown up as yet. Stop cornering me. Why do I feel all the time cornered? Why can't I be like Tilde, my hero?
Quick, hold hands, it's happening.
We're off again.
Do you know where have you wished us, Dorji?
No, I don't.
Take responsibility,
Dodgy.
Dorji.